Stunning solar eclipse caught by NASA in incredible close-up. A sun-gazing spacecraft photographed the Moon passing in front of the Sun's face on Wednesday, June 29. The solar eclipse was captured in action by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory from its unique vantage point in space, the only place where this eclipse was visible. At its peak, the Moon covered 67% of the Sun, and lunar mountains were backlit by solar fire, spaceweather.com reported Wednesday morning EDT. NASA had not yet responded to the incident. SDO typically considers the Sun to be the source of space weather, or radiation in space that affects Earth. It investigates the Sun's magnetic field, sunspots, and other factors that influence activity during the 11-year solar cycle. SDO investigates how solar activity is generated and how it affects space weather. The measurements taken by the spacecraft of the Sun's interior, atmosphere, magnetic field, and energy output all contribute to our understanding of the star we live with, NASA documented the mission. SDO was launched in February 2010 and is part of NASA's and its partner agency, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Network of Solar Spacecraft, NOAA. The Sun has been very active recently and unusually early in its cycle, which should peak around 2025. Scientists are curious about the origins of solar flares and the coronal mass ejections of charged particles that can cause colorful auroras in Earth's atmosphere if the CMEs are aimed at our planet. CMEs are usually harmless, but strong bursts can disrupt satellites, power lines, and other infrastructure, which is why scientists are so concerned with accurate predictions. Notably, NASA has launched the Parker Solar Probe, a close-up sun-gazing mission, to investigate the corona, or superheated outer region of the Sun, while other satellites observe from a greater distance to gain context.